It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now this youth here, him name White Boy, and the youth here just get fling down. Him and another boy named Shamar. Now, look on the big machine where the boy have. The boy have a 15 and me him shoulda give that bumbo clot. Look on the piece of machine. The machine look like it bigger than him. But me I go talk a little bit about this. And you know, my perspective from where me know what's going on from my intel. But right now, St. Lucia turn up. But guess what? If the police them smart, them work with countryman. Information come to me has told me that this guy, Shamar, strangled one girl named Naj, her baby, to death. Him and the girl used to go together. She went to the store and come back and the baby strangled to death. And the whole of St. Lucia know say him do it. But they are afraid to talk because everybody know that the police and the gangsters are working together. That's why people come to me, because them know say yo, countryman, I go keep everything confidential. I'm not work with no gang. I'm not work with no corrupt police. So guess what? Him meet him Waterloo, you know. Cause me I tell you something. And my mother always tell me this. You have to carry your own cross, you know. Like how Jesus Christ carry him cross. So you see everybody out here, at one point of time in your life, you have to go carry your own cross. And at that, reach the youth here. Now them two bottom feeder here, them did their jail. And one did it for murder, and one did it for attempted murder. But guess what? Them beat the case. You understand? Just like everybody else. You see, the criminal them get out of prison, you know, in our St. Lucia. But you see the real people them, with the injustice, them are fry up in that bomber cloud straight. Now, me I tell you something. If you never know this, you see lean back and him, a family, them living at the same yard. Him and Teletubby living at the same yard. Now, him go up, I think up a March, them go. Up Pushpa, Coco boy them did there. And the boy with them called Just Bad, which that is Coconut. But finally, getting two fucking name them right, pardon my language. When me say use, me mean it's the same gun him ride with, go look fit, Just Bad and Coco boy. So me want to understand that clearly. Now people, pay attention. White boy is the same person who killed the youth in Grocery, the owner of the stable, son. That little boy, him bite off more than him can chew, you know. Them a deal with badness and them no know badness. Cause him a war with graveyard them. Him a war with Marchtown them. And him mentor, Vash Queen, a war. You understand? Now, me a teach you something. You see karma no rest, you know. And God don't play. Now, me hear say them youth here, the boy, white boy, did there one party on Friday. And something jump off. And now today Sunday, them fling him away. 4 of them was in the car. And white boy and Shamar get fling away. Now, me I wonder if the two in at the back of the car set them up, cause we know how St. Lucia badness is, you know. But them two they get away, so anybody know who did in the car, wanna let countryman know. Cause like me I said, information come to me, say I just bad carry out the act. But want to listen me and listen me carefully. Information come to me, and the information what me get was that Teletubby make him brother go jail. That boy when name Frosted Flakes. He make him brother go jail so him can hunt down Just Bad, yo. I want to listen to that. So him send him own a brother a jail. Teletubby so him can hunt down Just Bad. Crazy. I want to hear me and hear me out. Now, that boy he make him brother go to jail. Cause him want hunt down the youth. But remember now, Just Bad respect the ground where that boy walk on, Teletubby. Him respect everything about him, him worship him like a god. Now, you would think Teletubby would come on the man them block and try and do some peace thing and say, alright, peace. But when him do, him beat up the man them, I ask the man them, where Just Bad there, and I go on with peer fuck up on the man them block, yo. Now you can see what kind of monster him is. A straight motherfucking friend killer. Now, me go talk about the youth here, so. Him is another top bottom feeder. Him name, on the ready for him name, Kent Alexander. Now, you see that pussy here? More and the police them know, say listen. You see him, what him do, on the need for stop him. Me I go tell you now, what him do, you know. But before me do that, me I show you know, some of the crime them that boy responsible for. Look on the headline. It's a police investigate grisly murder after body found. That is what my intel tell me, that this man, Mr. Kent Alexander, is involved with that. Now, there is another one. You remember the relative of the lady who got killed. Now her brother came out and spoke. They said it was Overland, but that's him right there. Now, me do a video upon that killing ya, where the family them get murder. The man and his sister. First it was his sister and then him. Now remember me telling you, say, Kodak and Lean Back get that contract there to get rid of them people that through some family land thing. Now you see Kent Alexander, him was the missing piece. Him provide the arms and probably all involved to do the actual dash of the people them. So Kent Alexander was the missing link in this crime. Now we put it together. Police wanna solve the case. Now see it yourself. A 22-year-old shot dead after a gunman ambushed his car. Last but not least, see the sir? Bus driver shot dead in a bar now. You understand? Now, Kent Alexander are the missing link in the bus driver killing because more links kill the bus driver. You understand? And then more links get dashed by frog face. You understand? So the missing link in this killing was Kent Alexander, and more links link him to get certain things to go mash the works, and then frog face dash for more links because them no want more links to talk. Family say him innocent. Now you see, them 4 crime and more crime creator, that boy Kent Alexander, he is involved with it. Let me tell you what him do. This man rent guns. I want to listen to me now. Wanna hear what I say? This man rent out guns to criminals and gang member. People say him come in like John Wig. You hear what me I go call him? John Wig. You understand? Him can't be like John Wig. What me I go call him is John Wig. And that's his name. Me I give him. You understand? This man rent out firearm. Can you imagine? To all the criminals them and the bottom feeders and the bottom feeders. So them 4 crime there. If the police want to solve them case there, wanna have to go to Kent Alexander, aka John Wig, crime creator. Crime creator John Wig. Now this boy Kent, him come from Gross Islet. You understand? And I want to know he is linked to all criminals. Him rent and him sell gun and bullet. Him is involved in evil kidnappings. You understand? Now, one thing my intel tell me, say him used to beat him father like a dog. Now, listen to what I'm saying you know. Kent Alexander, you see how him hug up him daughter? Him used to beat his father like a dog. Now, he mix up in every crime. Fraud, and him also mix up, like me say, in a kidnapping. Now, last but not least, crime creator John Wig. What happened to Stephanie Thomas? She was raped and killed, and I'm asking you, John Wig, what the hell happened to that young lady? My intel tell me that you have something to do with it. So once again, St. Lucia and the St. Lucia police, countryman, solve another crime. We have a serial gun seller and gun renter in a St. Lucia. I wanna wonder why the crime can't stop. Now, I am asking the police, major crime, please go check this guy out. Alright? I know that while making this video, Frosted Flakes was arrested with 3 bullets in his pockets now. You understand? Now, he was released again. But before that, he had just gotten out for an attempted murder. And getting out, he was on bail So you tell me, where is the justice on this island if a person like him, attempted murder, killing, all sort of thing, on bail, get catch with bullets in his pocket that match up to the shooting them that's going on, and he's still on the street? Something wrong with that picture, yo. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.